So everybody has shown up and shown out. It is great to see. We're ready to jump it up. And the Mercury win the tip. We are underway. The Sparks in white for the road jersey trimmed in purple. Cunningham, 3 off the mark. Battle for the rebound, won by Griner. Rebound putback is good. Off the back iron, and Turner is there for the rebound.
And neither one of these teams are strong rebounding teams, but certainly an advantage that Phoenix can take.
Thomas with her first personal foul. And as you mentioned, those 6 games mean she's facing Phoenix for the first time this season and watching BG work beautifully.
30-point game tonight, because if she does not have anybody to defend her down low, she can attack.
Ogwumike getting the Sparks on the board. Nice mid-range jump.
They want to get into the Griner.
Griner turnaround jumper, splash.
And they know that Phoenix has struggled passing the ball.
Ogwumike against terrific defense from Turner. Cunningham, 3 on the way. Leaves it short, and Azurá Stevens is there. This is a Mercury team looking for its 2nd win on Nikki Blue's watch. Points made a couple of 3-pointers as well. And there goes Canada with the steal and the finish, atoning for the personal foul that she picked up on the other end. The basketball, she will make you pay. LA on top, 10-8, under 5 to go here in the first quarter. Jefferson, the blow by, the reverse, and finish. Well,
good help.
And a strip of Ogwumike. Jefferson looking for folks in black jerseys. Dumps it off to Gustafson, baseline jumper, good. This offensive set going, shot clock already at 5. Jefferson attacking, high arcing shot falls. And now the Mercury go back to work. Taurasi against Cook, baseline, that's nice.
Now the veteran against the
10,000 career. Cook, pull-up jumper. Hoop wouldn't have it. Battle for the rebound, won by Ogwumike. She's attacking and finishing. With us here on Arizona's Family Sports and the WNBA's League Pass, alongside the Hall of Famer Ann Myers-Drysdale. I'm Cindy Brunson, and Zaya Cook is in the scorebook. Doesn't miss a beat. Nikki Blue calling out for the defense. Thomas pulls up and hits.
Jasmine Thomas.
Going to get a lot of minutes. You're going to make mistakes out. You got a long leash, so don't worry.
Shug Sutton, after missing the first one, hits the second 3-point attempt. Word from the Sparks media representative that the bench has just gotten shorter as Dearica Hamby is out for the rest of this game with a sprained left ankle.
With Thomas, it looked like a clean block, but there's a nice little jump hook by Griner. But when you reach down, majority of the time, even if you hit the ball first, yesterday, they got back from Minnesota at 2 a.m. in the morning, and then they had a practice. Nice pass
Griner
inside.
with her first dunk of the season. Hello, BG. We see you. She's got a dozen points with her first flush of the year. 10-6 so far against Los Angeles.
But this quarter is 9-9.
Inside to Nneka Ogwumike, as it's just a 1-point advantage for Phoenix. Both of these teams trying to put the brakes on slides. Taurasi to the 10.
Taurasi is 2 for 2 on layups.
Here come the Sparks. These two teams meeting for the 3rd time this season. Canada is not going to miss from there.
Great cut by Canada.
Cannot believe the whistle didn't blow either. Cook puts it on the floor. Nice defense by Sutton. Bouncing to Nneka. Wow, that was pretty.
Bite my pride a little bit this year because of all the injuries, and I'm used to winning. But now we've just got to win in little different situations.
Jefferson 3 is good. Great pursuit by Cunningham. Nikki Blue encouraging defense from the sideline. Nneka, tough to defend that. She's got a dozen.
Well, she's so versatile.
That shot won't fall, and here come the Sparks. Canada whipping it over to Cook. She puts it on the deck. Back to Thomas. 3 on the way. That's special. So the Sparks retake the lead, 36-33. Gustafson with the answer, a triple of her own. Griner, the only player for the Mercury in double figures with a dozen. Leaves it down low for Turner, who gets the roll. And Shug Sutton comes out of the pack, and Stevens slams the floor in frustration. Griner off the window. She's got 14.
Continuing to keep your dribble against the defense is so important.
6 seconds on the shot clock. Into Griner off the window. She leads all scores with 16 points. It's a 9-0 run for Phoenix. Able to start the game and had to leave with a sprained left ankle. So the Sparks are playing all we have is all we need basketball. Jasmine Thomas with a beautiful three-point shot led by as many as 7. That was in the first half. Lead down to 2. Griner reversing beautifully. She's got 18. Cunningham thought about the 3. She's got the taller Burrell. Tries to do the blow-by. Baseline jumper. Griner, that's nice. She's got 20.
That's her 4th.
Canada, the blow-by. She has speed that is ridiculous. Canada's got 10. The lead is 4 for Phoenix. Stevens doing all she can against BG. Griner in the paint. That's so luscious. She's got 22. So Los Angeles goes back to work down by 6, and it's a steal by Jefferson. She's out in front of the pack. She's not going to miss from there.
And you can see Stevens was really
opportunity here for Los Angeles, getting it into Stevens. No double team, just Gustafson turns and hits. That was nice, Desiree.
Yeah, Cunningham with 23 minutes. She's led the Mercury in minutes in this game so far. Oh, what a move.
Nice attack by DT. She's got 8. With the smaller Canada on her. Waits for the screen.
Oh, what a pass.
Megan Gustafson at the rim. Breezy. Under 2 minutes to go here in the second quarter as Phoenix is trying to add to its largest lead of the day. Pull-up jumper by Taurasi is lush. 10-point lead for Phoenix. Sutton turns the corner. Patty Sissoko is there to clean up the mess, but it doesn't look like they'll take it. Burrell for 3. Splash.
With the turnover.
So that is 13 turnovers for the Mercury. Henderson inside to Stevens. She's not going to miss that close to the basket.
Not landing on the ground.
Penny picking up the personal foul. 3 on the way by Taurasi is good. Diana's got 13. So fantastic job, X Factor, with plenty of hot tickets to choose from here in the Valley. Stevens buries the triple. And it was once as big as 12 for Phoenix. Back into Griner. She kicks it out. Taurasi 3. Oh, rattles it home. Griner almost lost it.
A lot of contact, but nothing called.
Little give and go from DT to Griner, and an and-one opportunity for BG go here in the fourth quarter. These two teams will meet one more time in August on the 23rd. Neko Ogwumike with her first basket of the second half, with some work to do if the Sparks are to put the brakes on a 4-game slide. Neko Ogwumike with her second basket of the half. Las Vegas has a couple of back-to-backs in the first half of the season. Neko Ogwumike, nothing but net. 2-possession game. The lead that was once 13 for Phoenix has been whittled down to 5. Taurasi at the rim. She's got 18 for the Sparks with 2 minutes and 18 seconds to go. Canada, heat check 3. Oh, back-to-back buckets by Jordan Canada. And that is going to do it as Phoenix gets off the schneid and beats LA for the first time this season, 78-72.